Welcome back to Lifestyle and Diaries. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, kitchen organization. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just trying to keep your space functional and tidy, having a well-organized kitchen can make all the difference. In this video, I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and easy solutions to transform your kitchen into a space that's both beautiful and efficient. Let's get started on creating the kitchen of your dreams. Kitchen organization is crucial for several reasons, enhancing both functionality and the overall experience in the kitchen. It promotes efficiency, saves time, manages space, keeps kitchen clean and reduces stress. It also minimizes waste and creates an aesthetic appeal. A clutter-free kitchen, for example, will make it easier to find what you need, keep your countertops clear, and reduce stress when cooking or cleaning. Without decluttering first, even the best organizational systems can become overwhelmed and difficult to maintain. Clear out unused items, remove any kitchen gadgets, utensils, or appliances you rarely use. Donate or store them if necessary. Minimize countertop clutter. Keep only the essentials, like a coffee maker or a cutting board, on your countertops. Less clutter makes the kitchen look more spacious and easier to clean. Zone organization. Divide your kitchen into zones based on tasks: cooking, prepping, cleaning. Store pots, pans, and utensils near the stove, while spices and knives should be close to prep areas. Categorize pantry items. Group pantry items by type, for example, canned goods, baking ingredients, snacks. This will make it easier to find things and prevent overbuying duplicates. Transparent storage. Store dry goods, rice, pasta, cereals, in clear, airtight containers. This keeps food fresh and lets you see how much is left. Use labels on containers, jars, and shelves to keep everything in its place and make it easy to find what you need. Install shelf risers. These double the storage space in cabinets, allowing you to stack plates, bowls, and cups more efficiently. If possible, install pull-out drawers in lower cabinets for easier access to pots, pans, and heavy items. Hang racks or organizers on the inside of cabinet doors to store cutting boards, lids, or cleaning supplies. Cutlery and utensil dividers. Use adjustable dividers to keep cutlery, utensils, and kitchen gadgets neatly separated. Hooks and racks. Install hooks on walls or under cabinets to hang mugs, pots, pans, or cooking utensils. Use magnetic strips for knives, freeing up counter and drawer space. Create a functional pantry. Use magnetic strips for knives, freeing up counter and drawer space. Use a Lazy Susan for condiments, oils, and sauces to make them easier to access. Use clear fridge bins. Organize fruits, vegetables, dairy, and condiments in clear bins to avoid clutter. Organize fruits, vegetables, dairy, and condiments in clear bins to avoid clutter. Prep bins. Have labeled bins or containers for pre-chopped vegetables, herbs, or other meal prep items. Daily cleanup. Make it a habit to tidy up the kitchen at the end of each day. Clear countertops, put away dishes, and wipe surfaces. Weekly check. Once a week, do a quick inventory of pantry and fridge items, clearing out anything expired and restocking essentials. Seasonal deep clean. Every few months, do a deep clean and reorganize. This helps you stay on top of clutter and ensures the kitchen remains functional. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to organize your own kitchen. Remember, the key is to group similar items, use clear storage containers, and make the most of vertical space. Let me know in the comments what your favorite organizing tip was, or if you have any great hacks I should try out. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're tackling your kitchen organization, don't forget to tag me. I'd love to see your transformations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more lifestyle and organization content, and share it with anyone who could use a little kitchen inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned. Next week, I'll be organizing my pantry and sharing some great meal prep tips you don't want to miss. See you then.